Rewarded Play gift cards usually don't send when reward verification fails, your account session breaks, or Google Play services can't confirm the redemption request. That's why you might see a completed cash out, but never receive the email or gift card code. By the end, you'll know exactly why Rewarded Play gift cards don't arrive, and the fixes that actually get missing rewards delivered. First thing to check is your email inbox properly. Rewarded Play gift cards often land in promotions, spam, or updates folders instead of your main inbox. Search for Rewarded Play, and also check the email you used during sign-up. A lot of missing rewards are just filtered emails. Next, verify your redemption status inside the app. Open Rewarded Play, and go to your reward history. If the status still says pending, the gift card hasn't been issued yet. That means it's still processing on their system side and it won't arrive until it clears. Now restart your phone and reopen the app. Rewarded Play depends on Google Play services to finalize redemption requests. If that background connection is stuck, the app may mark a reward as complete without actually triggering delivery. After that, check your internet connection. Gift card delivery requires a stable connection at the exact moment the request is finalized. If your phone switches between Wi-Fi and mobile data during redemption, the request can fail silently. Locking your device to one stable network and trying again helps prevent that. Also, make sure Google Play services and the Play Store are updated. These services handle authentication for reward apps. If they are outdated, redemption confirmations may not complete properly, which leads to missing gift cards even when everything looks fine inside the app. If nothing shows up, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Rewarded Play, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes stuck session data that can block reward delivery updates. If needed, clear storage and log back in to reset the reward sync completely. If the gift card still doesn't arrive, reinstall the app. Delete Rewarded Play, restart your phone, then reinstall it from the Play Store. This rebuilds the connection between your account and the reward system. Finally, sometimes delays happen on the server side. Gift cards can take time to process even after showing as completed. In those cases, waiting a few hours or up to a day can resolve the issue without any changes on your device. To sum it up, missing gift cards usually come from email filtering, pending processing status, or broken Google Play services sync. Fixing those areas restores delivery in most cases. Start with checking your email and reward history, then move through connection and system fixes before reinstalling. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and Android issues.